Here are 4 green marketing strategies and techniques that marketers use to build a brand that will last and help the environment. 1. Sustainable design. Putting stickers on product packages that say they are eco-friendly is not enough. In different business areas, it is important to pay attention to every detail. For example, to make the best use of resources, marketers and business owners should check in with the supplier of materials and the workers. The amount of trash that businesses make must also be kept to a minimum. To come up with the best sustainable business model, green marketers must think about many things that affect the environment. 2. Responsibility of the brand. If you want to make a business model that will last, you should be ready for a lot of changes. Green marketing is a response to pollution and climate changes that are getting worse and worse. Being socially responsible can show customers that a business really cares about how the world is right now. 3. A sustainable packaging system. By 2022, most of the pollution in the world will be caused by using too much plastic. A recent study says that since the 1950s, almost 8.5 billion tons of plastic have been made, but only 9% of that has been recycled. People are becoming more aware of how plastic affects the environment and are avoiding it. So, think about making packages out of recycled materials or things that break down over time. 4. Right price. Products that are good for the environment are very valuable on the market right now. It is this way because it costs more to make a business model that can last. So, marketers have to tell customers everything they can about how the product is made and other details to show that the high price is worth it. Keep in mind that the bigger the brand mission, the more likely it is that your business will be noticed for being creative.